Hello and good afternoon, students. Students, we are in last phase or last topic of application of derivative, tangent and normals. You can also say that it is last topic of differentiation, tangent and normals. Last class, I have already explained you what is tangent, what is normal, and what are the formula or steps involving tangent and normal. Now see question. Prove that the curve x upon a whole power n plus y upon b whole power n is equal to 2 touches the straight line x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 2 at the point a b. This is a b, whatever the value of n. It means given curve is this one, and you have to prove that equation of tangent line will be this one. So here given curve is x upon a whole to the power n plus y upon b whole to the power n is equal to 2, and we have to find that equation of tangent. For this, differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x. Then a is constant, so it remains 1 upon a to the power n, and differentiation should be written as n x upon a to the power n minus 1 into 1 by a. 1a should taken outside bracket, plus differentiate this one n into y upon b to the power n minus 1 into 1 upon b. Here you have to differentiate y also, so it should be dy bata dx, and in right side differentiation of 2 is 0. Simplify this one and calculate the value of dy bata dx. So first write in proper form n x to the power n minus 1 upon a to the power n plus n into y to the power n minus 1 b to the power n into dy by dx, that is equals to 0. Divide both sides by n. Divide both sides by n. So it should be x to the power n minus 1 upon a to the power n plus y to the power n minus 1 upon b to the power n dy by dx should equal to 0. Now shift this term into right side, so there will be negative. So y to the power n minus 1 upon b to the power n dy upon dx will be minus x to the power n minus 1 upon a to the power n, and hence dy by dx should equals to minus x to the power n minus 1 upon y to the power n minus 1 into b to the power n upon a to the power n. Now calculate. See the question. We have to calculate tangent at AB. So dy by dx at point AB should equals to, what is given, x is equal to a, then it should be a to the power n minus 1 upon b to the power n minus 1 into b to the power n upon a to the power n. See, after cancellation, how much left? B and a here. So it should be minus b upon a. This is value of dy by dx at AB. Now, equation of tangent, write down the formula. Equation of tangent is y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equals to dy upon dx at AB. Write down the values of x1, y1. So y minus b upon x minus a should equals to minus b upon a. Simplify this one. By cross multiplication, we have ay minus ab is equals to minus bx plus ab. Now in this ab into right side becomes positive, so we have bx plus ay is equals to 2ab. Divide both sides by ab, then x bata a plus y bata b is equal to 2. Divide by ab. AB means a into b. Hence, this is your result. Now students, see another question. Find the points on the curve 4x square plus 9y square equal to 1, where the tangents are perpendicular to the line 2x plus y equal to 2y plus x is equal to 0. So first of all, find slope of this line. So to finding slope, reduce this equation in the form y equal to mx. So given line is 2y plus x equal to 0. It means y is equal to minus 1 by 2x plus 0 or minus 1 by 2x. So slope of line, suppose this is m1, is how much? Minus 1 by 2. Now suppose the point, we have to find the points. So suppose the points are x1, y1. Suppose the points are x1, y1. Now come on to the given curve. It is given 4x square plus 9y square is equal to 1. 4x square plus 9y square equal to 1. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Then it should be 8x square means 8x, 18y, and differentiation of y is dy by dx equal to 0. From here calculate dy by dx. 18y dy by dx will be minus 8x, and hence dy by dx is equals to minus 8x by 18 y. Cancel it by 2. So finally minus 4x upon 9y. So dy by dx at point x1 y1 should equals to minus 4x1 upon 9y1. So children, you already know this is also called slope. Suppose this is m2, as we represent slope by m. Both lines are, means tangent line and the given line are perpendicular to each other, so product of slope should be minus 1, means m1 into m2 should equals to minus 1. m1 you have calculated minus 1 by 2, m2 minus 4x1 upon 9y1, this should be equals to minus 1. See what is its value? 2 cancel, minus and minus becomes positive, hence y1 is equals to minus 2x1 upon 9. So you have got the value of y1. Now given curve 4x square plus 9y square is equal to 1. This is given curve. x1 y1 also lies on this curve. Therefore 4x1 square plus 9y1 square should equals to 1. Write down the value of y1. 4x1 square plus 9y1 square means 4x1 square upon 81 should equals to 1. Simplify and calculate the value of x1 square. It is 9. Take out LCM. So 36 x1 square plus 4x1 square, and this LCM into right side becomes 9. 40 x1 square is equal to 9. So x1 square is equal to 9 by 40, and finally x1 is equals to plus minus 3. 40 means 4 into 10, so 3 root 10. This is value of x1, and correspondingly value of y1 is equal to how much? Minus 2x1 by 9. So correspondingly value of y1 is minus 2 by 9 into plus minus 3 by under root 10 to root 10. 2 and 2 should cancel. So minus plus changes to plus, minus plus 1 by 3 root 10. Hence the values are 3 by, so the points are three by 2 root 10 plus minus minus 1 by 3 root 10 and minus 3 by 2 root 10 and 1 by 3 root 10. These are the points. Children, see the next question. Find the equation of tangent to the curve x is equal to a sin 3t, y is equal to cos 2t at t is equals to pi by 4. So it is given x is equal to a sin 3t and y is equals to cos 2t. Since these are the function of x and t and y and t, so differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. So dx by dt is equals to a is constant and differentiation of sin 3t will be 3 cos 3t. Hence 3a cos 3t. Similarly, dy by dt is equals to 2 cos 2t and its differentiation will be, I write here, dy by dt and its differentiation will be minus 2 sin 2t. Next calculate dy by dx. So dy by dx will be written as dy by dt upon dx by dt. Dy by dt is minus 2 sin 2t upon 3a cos 3t. Now it is given t is equal to pi by 4. Must remember that a being constant. Therefore dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4 is equals to minus 2 sin 2 into pi by 4, that is pi by 2 upon 3a cos 3 pi by 4. Sin pi by 2, that is sin 90 degree, and 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 is similar to pi by 4, that is 1 by 2. So it is minus 2 upon 3a into 1 by root 2. Cos 3 pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Sorry, right, 1 by root 2. So it becomes minus 2 root 2 by 3a. Now equation of tangent we need two values x and y. T is equal to pi by 4. T is equal to pi by 4. So x is how much? A sin 3t means a sin 3 pi by 4 and it is 1 by root 2. You may also write like this: a sin pi minus pi by 4, that is sin pi by 4, and sin pi by 4 means 1 by root 2. Similarly, y is equals to cos 2t. Cos 2t means 2 means pi by 4, that is cos pi by 2, and cos pi by 2 cos 90 degree 0. So equation of tangent is y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is dy upon dx at pi by 4. x1 is equal to a by root 2, y1 is equal to 0, so y minus 0 upon x minus a by root 2 and dy by dx you have obtained here minus 2 root 2 by 3a minus 2 root 2 by 3a. Simplify, you will get your result. So this becomes y by cross multiplication, it should be 3ay is equals to minus 2 root 2x, minus and minus becomes positive, root 2 cancel, 2a, or 2 root 2x plus 3ay is equal to 2a will be your equation of tangent. So children, in this way we will solve few problems. In my next class I will again solve some problems related to tangent and normal. Thank you.